Okay, just a brief tour around the Twitter account management platform that we use. Um, this is the login screen. Obviously, you'll have a username and password, and once logged in, you'll be presented with this screen. As you can see, there's only one account listed at the moment. We're going to add another one later, but at a very basic level, it gives you an overview of how many people are following you, how many followers you have. Let's just update that. We'll click the refresh button. So no new followers. But what we did do is just log into the Twitter account manually and added a few more followers so we can see that this actually updates in lifetime. So you'll see the following count has gone up. If we go to the follows option first, you'll see there's an option here that says auto follow back all followers or just new followers. So we're going to auto follow back everybody who follows us. So they have to follow us first and then they automatically get followed back. There is an option to auto unfollow users who are not following you back. There's another one to auto send a DM, and when you go here to this tab, here's the direct message option. This will send a message to anyone who auto follows you. So for example, somebody follows you, you follow them back, and it automatically sends them a direct message, thanks for the follow, etc. But a lot of people prefer not to use that because it can appear a little bit spammy. We also have another tab here, unfollow exceptions. So for example, I can put my account in here. And that account has been added, and you'll see there it's picked up my screen name, profile picture. That account will not be unfollowed. Follow exclusions. If you have any accounts that you specifically do not want to follow, again, you just put in the ID into the box and that's done. So let's have a look here for the search to follow option. You can select tweet based or user based. We're going to select tweet based and use the tweet or the hashtag UK jobs search. And you'll see there it's brought up a few accounts. I'm just going to select all of those and say follow all these users. Now the API will take a moment to go through those, and they're now added to the account. And if we just go back to the home page and click refresh, you'll see it's following more than 461. It's now following 478. So that's a basic overview of the follows option. So you can unfollow, exclude, follow exclude, send a DM, or find accounts. Okay, so let's have a look at the tweets option. So we can post a quick tweet. Post that, and that has gone to the account as well. And if we just switch to the Twitter account in question, go to the stream, there's a pinned tweet at the top, and you'll see there's that tweet that we just sent. Okay, so back to the application. We have an option here to schedule tweets as well. So here's a list of any scheduled tweets that are in the system. Currently there aren't any. And here we can schedule tweets. There is another option as well. This can be a little bit long-handed. So you can write out tweets. You can select the date and time that you want that tweet to go, and schedule the tweet. And there's another option to bulk upload tweets, and there's an example of the format of the file there. So you can actually schedule tweets for a week, a month, even a year in advance if you want. We tend to use a CSV file and upload this directly into the database, and then it appears in scheduled tweets, and we'll show you an example of that now. So you can see here we have one platform running with a number of accounts. And if I go to the tweets option here, there we go. We know we've got scheduled tweets in this account. And there are all the tweets that are scheduled. If we go back to our account, and if we want to, we can upload those tweets. Those tweets would appear in scheduled tweets and automatically be tweeted. A cron job runs on the server and automatically sends those out. So back to the home page. The only other option now is logs. And here we'll see the tweet logs. So there's a scheduled tweet that we set that was posted successfully. Follow logs. There's a cron job that runs at 2 AM and it will tell us how many people were found, how many followers were found, etc. And that can run every day or twice a day if there's a lot of accounts to manage, and it will automatically follow, unfollow as per the settings in this option here in follows. So anything we put here, auto follow back or auto unfollow, will be managed by the cron job. That's pretty much it. The only other thing that we haven't covered is how to add an account, and I'm going to cover that. So the first thing we do is log into the Twitter account for the account that we want to manage, and then go back to the application and then click on the option to sign into Twitter. Now if we're not signed into the account, we just sign out here and sign in using the account that we want to manage, but we've already signed into that account, so I'm going to authorize the application, and in a moment it takes us back. So now we're managing 2 accounts. We can manage as many as we want. The reason why I've added this account is to show you another option that's available, the multi-account functions. So if we go here, we have the first option is to automatically follow or unfollow all the accounts that are managed by this system. So if we go back to multi-account functions, cross follow all accounts, that's been done. We have another option. So we want all these accounts to follow a particular account. There we go, those are added. And then we have a multi-tweet option. So we're going to send a tweet across all accounts, just a quick update, post the tweet. Okay, so let's go back to the home page, and then we'll just switch back to Twitter. And this is the second account that we added. I'm just going to go to the stream. So that's a pinned tweet, and there we go. Good morning. That's across both accounts. And if I log out and then log in, and go to the feed for UK Jobs Hour, you'll see there's the post that we just made, or the tweet. That is pretty much everything. There are other functions available through the core code which we can edit, but at a very basic level that's everything that this application does, and manages quite a lot of accounts for us. Some of our accounts have gone up by 1,000 followers a month. Minimum would be 500. Just basically sitting there and auto tweeting, engaging in Twitter chats, etc. Hope you enjoyed, and if you need any more information, just get in touch.